You just got your first credit card. You feel like an adult. You feel powerful. You feel free. You can buy anything you want and pay later. Sounds amazing, right? But here's what nobody told you. That little card in your wallet? It can completely destroy your financial life before you even turn 30. And the worst part is, you won't even see it coming. Here's a scary number for you. 68% of Americans make at least one major credit mistake before the age of 30, and most of them had absolutely no idea they were even doing something wrong. They thought they were being smart. They thought they had it figured out. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 biggest mistakes people make with their first credit card, so you don't have to learn these lessons the hard way. This is 5 mistakes in 5 minutes. Let's go. Mistake number 1. Carrying a balance every month. Okay, so you bought something, $500. You think, you know what, I'll just pay the minimum this month, maybe $25. That's fine, right? I'll pay the rest later. Wrong. This is where the trap begins. Right now, in 2026, the average credit card interest rate is 19.58%, and Americans are currently carrying $1.23 trillion in total credit card debt. Let me put that in real numbers for you. You carry a $1,000 balance. You're paying around $200 extra every single year, just in interest. You bought nothing extra. You got nothing extra. You just threw $200 in the trash. And it gets worse. The longer you carry that balance, the more interest piles on top of interest. The fix is simple. Pay your full balance every single month. Not minimum, not half, full balance. Mistake number 2. Maxing out your credit limit. Your first credit card gives you a $2,000 limit. You think, great, I can spend $2,000. That's my limit, so I'm allowed, right? Technically, yes, but your credit score doesn't see it that way. There's something called credit utilization ratio. It basically means how much of your available credit are you actually using? And this one number has a massive impact on your credit score. Experts say keep your utilization below 30%. So on a $2,000 card, that's $600 maximum, not $1,800, not $1,500, $600. Mistake number 3. Missing even one payment. Okay, so life gets busy. You forgot to pay your bill this month. It was just one payment, one time. How bad can it really be? Really bad. One missed payment stays on your credit report for 7 years. Imagine you're 22 years old. You miss one payment. Now, until you're 29, every time you apply for an apartment, a car loan, a mortgage, lenders see that missed payment. They charge you higher interest. Sometimes they reject you completely. One mistake, 7 years of consequences. That's not a small thing. The fix takes literally 2 minutes. Set up autopay on your credit card right now, today. Even if you set it to pay just the minimum, at least you'll never miss a payment. Then manually pay the full amount on top. This one habit alone can protect your financial life. Mistake number 4. Applying for too many cards at once. Oh, this store gives 20% off if I open a card, and this airline gives free miles, and this one has cash back. Let me get all of them. Every single time you apply for a credit card, the bank does something called a hard inquiry. It's basically them checking your credit history, and each hard inquiry slightly lowers your credit score. Mistake number 5. Nearly 1 in 4 Americans, 24%, say credit card overspending is their single biggest financial regret. Not failing to invest early, not missing savings goals. Credit card overspending. Number 1 regret. Repeat after me. My credit card is not extra money. It is my own money that I am borrowing from myself and paying back later. If I cannot afford it on my debit card today, I cannot afford it on my credit card either. Full stop.